Alright, enough theory. Today we practice. By the end of this video, you are going to have done your first humming meditation. Even if you've never meditated before, even if you feel a little silly, even if you are not sure you are doing it right, let's go. Welcome back. This is part 3 of the series. We've talked about what humming meditation is, and we've looked at the science behind it. Now it's time to actually do it. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. Find a quiet spot, sit down comfortably, and just follow along. Step 1. Get comfortable. Sit in a chair or on the floor, wherever feels natural. You don't need a special cushion or a perfect posture. Just sit upright enough that your chest is open. Rest your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes if you'd like, or just soften your gaze downward. Step 2. Take 3 normal breaths. Just breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Don't try to control it yet. Just arrive. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel the weight of your body. You are here. Step 3. Begin humming. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Fill your lungs gently, not all the way, just comfortably. Now on the exhale, a single steady note, whatever pitch feels natural to you. There is no right or wrong note. Let the hum last as long as the exhale lasts. Then breathe in again and hum again. That's it. That's the practice. Step 4. Feel the vibration. As you hum, bring your attention to the physical sensation. Where do you feel it? Maybe in your chest, maybe in your skull, maybe in your lips or your nose. Don't analyze it. Just notice it. Let that vibration be the anchor for your attention. Every time your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back to the feeling of the hum. Step 5. Do this for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough to feel a real shift. If you want to go longer, great, but 5 minutes is a complete practice. Here are some things that might happen, and all of them are normal. You might feel a little awkward at first, that's okay. Most of us aren't used to making sound intentionally, especially alone. That self consciousness usually fades within a minute or two. You might feel your body start to release. A deep breath, a sigh, maybe a yawn. These are signs your nervous system is shifting. That's a good thing. You might feel emotional. Sometimes humming loosens things we've been holding without realizing it. If something comes up, just let it. You don't have to understand it. Just stay with the hum. And you might feel nothing special, and that's fine too. The effects of this practice are often subtle at first and they build over time. You just did it. Seriously, if you hummed along with this video, you just completed your first humming meditation. That's real. In the next video, we are going to go somewhere deeper. We are going to talk about using humming specifically to work with fear and emotional blocks. Because this practice isn't just about relaxation, it can be a genuine tool for transformation. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one.